Imoto eyabe igibele lezelamani yahlaselwa kulomgwaqo kepha owesilisa oneminyaka engama-68 waphuma engenamyoco. Ababona kwenzeka isigameko bathi babona imoto igijima ngesivinini esingajwayelekile emgwaqweni uR71 obheke enkabeni yedolobha iPolokwane. Emva kwesikhashana kwenzeke lesigameko.
We were currently in a traffic jam, and as I was fixated on a traffic jam, my eye caught something on my right hand side which appeared to be dust. And when I looked, I saw a car going down on the island, and it looked like it was being chased by the police. It was going very, very, very fast. And then later that afternoon when I got home, I saw the case about the Moti brothers being lost. So it seems like it might have been the car that was being chased.
Akekho saboshiwe ngalokhu kanti amaphoyisa athi enza konke okusemandleni ukuthola lezi zingane.
What I can say is the police is doing everything in their possible capacity what they must do. I can't say where or when or how any communication has been done between any persons whatsoever. But one thing I can say is to ask the public to please stop phoning the families. I think they really in a position now where they're really broken down. I think especially the kids themselves as well, you know, where they have to face every day without their parents.
Umphakathi waseNivara awumile ukukhulekela ukubuya kwalezelamani selokhu zathunjwa. Njengamanje sekunomkhankaso oqhutshwa enkundleni yezokuxhumana ogqugquzela ukubuyiswa kwazo #BringThemHome.